Before we start, I have a playlist on different places in different US states for off-roading and adventuring. Please do check it out, and thank you.
It's me, Rigde for Adventure, and today we're going to Kern River right here. And man, going here it's pretty easy if you're gonna take the Keysville trail. But anyway, since the Freeway Ridge four-wheel drive trail is closed, maybe it's under repair or something like that, we take the Keysville trail. But there's some obstacle that you wanna do if you wanna do it, and it was fun too. And don't forget to check my merchandise on whatstore.com so to support my channel, and stay tuned, and we're gonna explore this beautiful place in Kern River. So let's go!
Okay guys, so for today, we're going to Kearns County at Lake Isabella, and our starting point is gonna be right over here at Keysville Road, and then going to drive all the way here at Kearns River. So be careful guys if you're gonna go here, and let's explore. Well, it's closed, the Freeway Ridge four-wheel drive trail, so maybe I'm gonna take the other one to the Keysville. So it's gonna near in Lake Isabel, so it's gonna be the same thing, same way but different direction. So too bad, maybe they're fixing it, maybe so. So looks stiff, but anyway, let's go there. So I'm just gonna take that route, so instead of here, because you know it's closed, so too bad. So we're gonna take the Keysville all the way to the Freeway four-wheel drive rig trail. So there's like a way there too, so hopefully it's not closed like the entrance there. So good luck. I'm gonna disconnect my sway bar and lower my tire pressure to 15 psi, because I saw in a YouTube video that it might be a difficult trail, especially there's a lot of rooted trail, rooted area, and then rocky, and so on and so forth. So anyway, gonna do it right now. The road trail here is pretty easy. Any car with a good ground clearance can make it all the way to the Kern River, but there's some obstacle too. If you want like to do some a little bit action, you can always do that, and if you don't feel doing that, you can always just bypass it and just drive all the way to the Kern River. So the only thing I could say, just be careful driving, and probably I would recommend at least all-wheel drive to go here. Okay, so our first obstacle is gonna be here. It's really stiff. Okay guys, so we gotta turn left in here, so it's off highway vehicles only. So if you continue going there, you're gonna hit the entrance to the Freeway Ridge, four-wheel drive trail entrance. But since this is what we're gonna go here, so going to the Kern River. So it seems easy so far, but hopefully it continue like that. So good luck, man. Good luck. Guys, we're almost in the Kern River, so it's gonna be right over there. Woo! Well, we made it. Yeah. Woo! And going down. Oh, it's too slippery. So I was like thinking that what if I cross that, and I'm not sure about in the middle. It might be super deep or super rocky, or might get stuck or something. I want to try. I'm really want to try, but I'm the only one here. Maybe with someone I'm gonna attempt it, but you know, at least I got stuck. I don't have a winch on my back of the car to pull it out. So maybe next time if I install a winch on the back. So yeah, because like I said, there's trail going there. So yeah, the current right now is really strong, and I don't know what's gonna happen. So I never tried this river crossing with a high current flow. It's gonna be a really experience to do, but maybe at least I have someone to pull me, so just in case I get stuck. But so if you guys want to try it I do want to see how it goes. So there, so I don't know what's in there. You should be good right there. So yeah. All right, so the campsite is set. We got the bonfire here, and I got some stuff ready there. So we're gonna explore a little bit in here, and my dog right now is right over there. Yeah, it's so beautiful here and peaceful, and the freeway is kind of like kind of near, but we're kind of like hidden because it's kind of down, so it looks deep. So Jay, yeah, it looks deep. Yeah, I can see big rocks there, and there's still some more there, so we're gonna check that out. And
Come here, Jay. Then there's some cow shit here. Yeah, it's really cool though. It's really cool. All right, we're in the stone. Woo! I guess if I bring my fishing rod, I could probably like sit here and go fishing. So, oh, yeah. Oh my God. Woo. I have no idea how deep is this. If it's deep, I'm just gonna like woo. But I didn't bring any extra clothes right now, so yeah. Whoop. If I got a fishing rod. No, I don't think it's deep because I see some rocks here. Yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah, I see some fishes here. I see. I'm not sure what kind of fish, but it's kind of like big. Maybe like 10-inch, I think. Yeah. Wow. Damn. Why did I forget my fishing rod though? Well, anyway. Woo-wee. Look at the current though. Yeah, sheesh. Damn. Jay, don't go there. You're gonna drown. Right, Jay? Dang. Alright, so I collect a lot of twigs, so it's gonna be good for the whole night, I guess, until I go to sleep. And I got some food here. I got some Jack in the Box teriyaki chicken bowl. Then later I got some adobo with rice there. And so yeah. And then for Jay, chicken nuggets. Don't be picky. So yeah, it's so peaceful in here, guys. Like I can fall asleep here without feeling that there's no problems gonna be happening. Well, I don't know, so we'll see. But yeah, it's so peaceful. Whew. Okay guys, I hope you like this video, and don't forget to check my merchandise at whatstore.com to either to support or buy some merchandise, and don't forget to subscribe, and I see you next time for more adventure vids. So peace guys.